Today we're going to replace the oil in a 2013 Chevy Malibu with the 2.0 inline 4 liter. You need 5 quarts of 5W20 and your filter.
Where's the fifth?
Dispose
in the box.
Approved.
Oh.
It ain't
First thing you're going to want to do is get your car up in the air, put the e-brake on.
elevated.
Then we're going to go underneath and drain the old fluid. You're going to want to wear gloves. You need your drain pan. You need a Ratchet, 15mm works.
And you need a key.
And you need a an oil filter wrench. Underneath the car, the drain plug is on this drain pan, oil pan, and it is located right here. Right here is your oil filter. Ooh, there it is.
Sometimes it helps to take the oil cap off. Something to do with airflow properties.
And now, after this, comes the easy part. While that's all draining, take your new filter and fill it up with some oil.
Ooh. Why do we do that, Keaton?
It primes it.
Mm.
And rub that onto that ring. Really rub it on there. We will now place the new filter onto the engine. Hand tighten it. Replace the drain plug. Put it back where it belongs.
The proper thing to do with your oil is to take it to O'Reilly's because they can properly dispose of it. You're not supposed to just throw it in the trash. That's bad for the environment.
Good job.
Start filling up the engine with 5 quarts of Dispose approved 5W20 synthetic oil. Right? Full synthetic motor oil.
I got 5 quarts from Advanced Auto Parts for $40.
Now there's cap. Just start your car up and let it idle for a little bit, then drive. And reset your oil light. To reset your oil light, grab your keys and insert into ignition. All right, click that button right there on the menu until you find the oil life, and then you hold that button down, and then scroll up to the yes, and you're done. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Like other videos and subscribe.